Alrighty, okay. This is Exotic Wealth, and I'm gonna be teaching the perfect entry strategy. Okay. So we're on the chart right now, but first I wanted to show you these apps because these apps are my top dogs right here. Because these apps will literally alert me whenever price hits where I want it to hit, meaning it's going to be in an overbought zone or in an oversold zone. So I'm going to get more into that within the video. So here we go. For example, say I set my horizontal right here, right? Because I'm pretty much saying whenever price comes back here on 0.66910, so pretty much 66,910. So whenever price gets back to that point, I want this app call levels to alert me on that pair. So here we go. For example, NZD, that was NZD USD, but this is USD JPY. So if I want price to hit, it'll tell me the current price of where price is at right now. So it says 106.53. So if we go to MetaTrader 4, we're going to see for USD JPY, where is it at? 106.537. So here we go. It says 106.53. So that's correct. So I wanted to let me know when price hits. Let's look and see. So 9 times out of 10, price has already broken resistance, so we can't do that. So we want to see when price hits back on our support, which means, or our most recent support. So like right here, okay? Like right around there, 105.29. So let's go back and USD JPY. 105, we're gonna do 105.29. Okay, set call level and look, preview, here you go. Okay, got it. And look, now we're waiting. Now what it's gonna do is actually alert me whenever price hits this area. It shows the date when I created it. The chart is not available at the moment. Attach a reminder. You get to set it up to where however you want. You get to call yourself even, like just call yourself. Select brokerage, whatever broker you're in. So for example, I could choose tradersway and then confirm edit, and then boom, it's set right here for me. So pretty much when price hits this area, 106.54, it's gonna actually alert me whenever price hits that area, right? So whenever price hits right here, this app would actually alert me. So, but right now we want to see what we can get now, right? So what we can get now. So when price hits back on 106.66, let's do 106.66, okay? So let's do 106.66, okay? 66. Let's see if it comes back to this level. I want it to alert me so that I can not buy, but sell. I press buy by accident. Sell, confirm, edit. Okay, it's all done. I got 2 of them linked for me. So whenever it hits these levels, it's gonna tell me, okay, you should buy at this point. So I can go back in. If anything is wrong, I can go back in. For example, I'm not wanting to sell. I'm wanting to actually buy at this point because this was support right here. So I want to do a buy, right? So therefore, it's going to show me and it's going to alert me to look for a sell. Now it's going to alert me to look for a buy. And I could do the same thing with Euro USD. So if I go to EU, it's going to alert me to let me know, okay, if price hits back up and the highest resistance or the lowest support, which is like right here at this moment. If price hits right here at 1.17213. So if I go to EU, so look, okay, you'd have to sign up maybe later. Okay, get more call levels. In order to get more call level, you'd actually have to sign up. So to use this app, you could sign up, but I also have another app that you can use as well. And yeah, you can add your level. So here we go, Euro USD. See, it shows the current price right now. It shows where price is at. So I ask, bid anything at your own point. So here we go. We got 1.17213. That's where I want it to alert me. 1.17213. Okay. So here we go. Save that. Now, when it gets to that level, 1.1738, it's going to alert me and let me know for EU so that I can look for buys, right? This is an example. I had gotten an alert for USD JPY where the market had hit right here back in this place, right? And I would look for sales. I would be looking to sell because it hit highest resistance. As you see, I got the call. I got it up here in my notifications. I got the call from this app right here, call level. Let me go in there. See, it had told me and updated me, like notified me on that it hit this level. And so what I'm looking for is sales. I'm looking for nothing but sales at this point because look, this is our highest resistance. I don't just go in the trade, but this is because this is our highest resistance. That's the only reason why I'll be looking for a sale, right? Because price had met back at this area. So because it was recently at this area before. So here we go. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. All right. We're gonna see what happens. So you see it's going up. I will not sell this point, right? I will not sell because look, now it's breaking over. It haven't broken just yet, but as you see, it's like a long candlestick. It's looking like it's trying to retest, like just testing up there and about to shoot down. That's what it's looking like. So yeah, this is an example of the app that I told you about, and yep, it just notified me on USD JPY hitting the area that I anticipated, and I'd be looking for a sell whenever it hits this area again, because look, if I zoom out, this was the highest resistance. So it had notified me that, hey, this is the highest resistance that you called out, that you wanted us to alert you on. And then it alerted me, and I would place my sell at the highest resistance itself. Like I would wait for the market to do its moves just like this, just so I could wait for the drop, right? I would wait for the drop itself. So as you see, my MACD is showing in an overbought position. It's back in the overbought position. It's in an overbought position. It's looking like it's want to drop, right? What about our 1 hour? It's looking like it's want to drop as well. Overbought position. 1 minute. Look at this. See, this is where you would sell at, or wait till it goes up again. I mean, it already went up again, but this is where you would sell. And as you see, price is gonna do its thing. This stuff actually works. You don't have to look at the market. You don't have to do none of that. Look at this. It's gonna get back in our zone because it got out of our resistance. It shot out of our resistance right here, right? But now it's trying to get back into the zone. Get back into this zone right here, down here. So yeah, I mean, that's really it. See, you see how, I just made Forex trading so much easier. Like, bro, if you could, all I did was just did the highest resistance. You've seen it. I put in the highest resistance for USD JPY, and it told me, okay, it alerted me that, okay, price has hit this area. Look for sales. look for sales, look for sales. So now that I'm here, I want to actually mark the highest point. So it looks like this is the highest resistance right now. So this itself is a zone, because look, as you see right here, this itself is a zone. So we're trying to wait on a breakout. Again, this is how you set zones. You see how I set the zone? I set this zone because of this candlestick right here and these candlesticks over here. These were the highest resistance levels. So therefore, this is our new zone right here. This is a zone. We're trying to see where price is going to go, and it's looking like it's about to drop. Look at our MACD. You see how our MACD is showing the 90 overbought? It's about to drop. This thing is about to drop. And this is a common example of what I mean. I just wanted to give you an example of how does the app work with the market, and I showed you, and you can just easily catch it like this. You don't want to go instantly just trade it, but you want to have some good accuracy, like meaning that if I want to set my lowest support right here and wait till price hit this point, then I can, right? I can. So yeah, 106.436. All I do is just go on this app again and put in USD/JPY 106.36 and then call it a day. USD/JPY, maybe later. No, I'm gonna take one of these out. 106. Delete this one. USD/JPY 106.36. Here we go. Set call level. Okay, I want to look for buys. Confirm. Okay, and it'll alert me. So that's all it is. That's all you do. And let's go see what's hanging. What it's doing. So as you see, it's still in the zone, right? Oh, low battery. It's still in the zone. So therefore, we just wait. We just wait and let price do what it's gonna do. But at this point, it's looking like it's not going to be touching resistance. It tested resistance again. If it tests resistance again, which it is going to do before it drops, we in for a good sell. We in for a good sell because look, indication, MACD 90. We set our zone because of our resistance, our most recent resistance. Here go our most recent resistance right here, and here go our second most recent resistance right there. So this is our recent, this is the past resistance right here, recent resistance right here, right? So therefore, and if I see that the market is not breaking this resistance right here, our most recent resistance and our past resistance right there, this qualifies as a zone right here. So all we doing is just waiting on candlestick to break out this way or candlestick to break out that way. Sometimes it may fake out going up here and then just shoot right back down. It does it a lot. So yeah, that's the perfect entry strategy. I mean, you can really do this without even paying attention to the charts all day long. You can just come on, here, mark your chart. Like for example, I just look at the 1 hour. I mark my chart to the highest and the lowest. See, I did the 160. It had alerted me, and here you go. Looking at the proof. See? Look, is it dropping? Let's see. Yep, it's looking like it's dropping. Looking like it's about to drop, but I think it's gonna form that M. Oh, it already looked like M. It already looks like the M. But look, as you see, this is our zone. If it closes below this zone down here, below that support now with recent price below support, then we got it. We good. So yeah, I hope you get it, and I hope you got it down packed. So don't forget about these apps, call levels. They're on Android. I don't know if they're on iPhone or not. They should be, but I use call levels more. You can use this one as well, FX alerts. It seems like with call levels, you can only use 2 calls at a time if you don't have an account. Like for example, if I press add, as you've seen before, sign up to get more call levels. I don't know if that pays or not. I never did more than 2 anyways, but yeah, that's all. Okay, if you're watching this right now, see, the market has gone down, just as I stated. It has gone down. It done what it's gonna do. I told you, the call level, that's all the perfect entry strategy really is. You got the secrets, you got the nuggets, really tie all this stuff in. I told you, when it comes back to this price, wait for the perfect entry. Don't just instantly trade what you see. You see how it shot up at first? See? And then it made our resistance. Then now we have our zone. And now on that retest, on that retracement, I'll catch it. Now enter a sell. And you see we're in profit. That's all it is. That's all the strategy is. Wait on the retracement right there. Enter a sell. We in profit. That's all it is. Don't forget about the app as well. I used the app. I waited on the overbought position, which it was, and now look at this drop. It works. I mean, it works every single time. People wonder how I do it. This is how I do it. It's like clockwork to me now, man. But hey, it works. You just got to try it for yourself. Try the stuff out in demo. I mean, especially the app part where you get alerts, man. You got to get these alerts, because I guarantee you a lot of people are doing this alert stuff. But yeah, definitely go check that out. I hope you like the strategy. I want it to be red. So here we go. 50 moving average. I want it to be red. So whenever you see it cross the candlesticks, whenever you see the 50 MA cross price, at the same time the actual MACD will cross as well. So for example, if you line it up right here, the MACD shows the cross as well. If I line it anywhere with the MACD and the 50 MA, the MACD shows it as well. Okay, by the looks of it, it looks like this price is about to drop. Don't let this stuff manipulate you. It's all manipulation all around. Go up and then come back down. This is another opportunity you can get in on a perfect entry. So when it gives you this kind of opportunity, what you want to do is actually place a sell up here at resistance. Or when it forms this retrace like this and closes, what you want to do is wait on that next candlestick to form, shoot up a little bit, and then place your sell there. So you want to wait till candle close. If the candle close with the wick sticking out at the top like that, then 9 times out of 10 it's about to shoot right back down. It's about to shoot right back down. That's what you want to pay attention to and look for. So as you see, it was trying to come through our resistance again, come back to resistance, but it tried it but didn't. So as you see right here, it's looking like it's trying to go back down. It's getting weak up here towards resistance. It's getting weak towards resistance. So you got to wait on it. Wait for the perfect opportunity. Once it gets in this zone right here, this next zone right here, you'd actually want to wait. See, this is why I say wait, because it's very important. This candlestick may just make another candlestick, but I think it's about to drop, because look, you see how this next candlestick formed? You see how the next, look at that, look at it. See? You see this? Okay. You see how it's forming, right? It gives us a better entry. It gives us a better entry. It's getting weak. This is why I say wait till candlestick close, because you see how this candlestick closed right there? It's going to go up more. That was manipulation right there itself. You see how I said it's about to go down? See, right now of how this candlestick is looking, it's about to go down. But if it depends if it's going to stay looking like that, or is it going to close like this again, right? It's looking like it's going to go down now. It's looking like it's going to go down. Just wait till the candle close. to actually give you the perfect indication. Okay, it's looking like game time now. It's looking like game time. Okay, it's looking like game time. Just wait on the perfect opportunity. It's not breaking this resistance. I already marked that. I got that now. So this is what you want to look for as well. It's not breaking resistance. So therefore, it's going to try and shoot back up here to retest. And then we'd want to get in on the sell because it's not breaking resistance. And the candlestick itself is actually weak. It's a weak candlestick. Whenever it shows just like that, it's a weak candlestick, right? So therefore, we in good. We good. Look at that. You see? Pay attention to this. Look at this. This is price action. This is price action, bro. Like, this is that simple. You see how I just called that? And look at that. You could have, man. The only thing that wouldn't work is them spreads. But hey, it's like 8:32 right now. So yeah, as you see right now, pay attention to this. You see how it's dropping? You see that? This is price action. This is how price action works, okay? Price action is very simple. All you do is just look at the candlesticks. Look at this. Didn't I say sell it? Didn't I say sell? See? This is the perfect entry strategy. This is all the perfect entry strategy really is, okay? Price action works. I'm telling you. What the market just did was went back up because it couldn't break support. So what the market is trying to do now is break support. It's trying to break support. That's what the market is trying to do. So you're going to wait. You're going to wait and hold it out. You're going to wait and hold it out to see if market can actually break the support. It's trying to test this support, right? It's trying to test this support. It's going to keep trying to test this support. If it doesn't work, it's going to shoot back up. If it doesn't work, it's going to shoot back up. See, I scalp like with this thing, with this strategy, like so much. It's crazy. But yeah, look, it's testing again. It's going to test it again. See, it's getting weak. It can't do it. It just can't. So, as you see, but I think it's going to keep testing. It's going to keep testing. So I want to check the 1 hour to see direction. It looks like it's going down still. So, yep, it looks like it's going down still. So it's about to meet our support. It's trying to meet the support on our 1 minute chart. And this is how you would call trades, man. This is the perfect entry strategy. Look at the candlestick movement. I could just look at it and can tell. Patience is required, man. So we got one bounce. So what you want to pay attention to, 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce. This market is going down. It's going down. Okay. It's going down. Just keep watching. Candlesticks are telling me it's trying to shoot up, but at the same time, it's like it's going down a bit more than you think, because it's gonna, but like what the market is doing is it's in a consolidation zone. This is consolidation zone. The market already hit the lowest point. Therefore, this point right here, down here, is our support, is our lowest support. So what the market is going to do is try and come down here again, but it's not going to touch it, and then it's going to shoot right back up. That's what it's trying to do. It's trying to go back past this support, break this support right here, and then come down here. And then, I mean, just let the market do its thing. Look, I'm going to show you. Look at this. That's what it's trying to do. It's trying to get back out of this zone, or get out of the upper zone, which is our resistance. That's all the markets consist of, support and resistance. So look, as you see, I got my zone up here and I got my zone down here. It's trying to get out of this zone, the middle zone. It's trying to get out of this middle zone right there, right? It's trying to get out of this middle zone. So you'd want to actually wait on it and wait for the breakout. Or since you already know where price is headed, you can already place your trade and already be in profit, because 9 times out of 10, this market is looking like it's going to shoot up. But it's going to come back down to retest, and then it's going to shoot up. So therefore, the first move that it makes, majority of the time, it always fakes out. It always fakes it as if it's going to stay going up, right? But then that's when you got to pay close attention to price action at that point. You got to pay close attention to price action, because I know it's trying to shoot down. The market is trying to go down, and then it's going to shoot back up. That's what the market is going to do. That's what the price action is telling me. The market is going to shoot down, and then it's going to try and go back up. Once again, it's going to test this support again. It's going to keep testing this support. It's not going to stop testing this support until it actually gets to its strongest point, going down at least. So yeah, just pay attention to this. Look, it broke in below, so therefore it's going to go down even more. Look at this. Just look. You're watching this live. Look at this. Let's look at the candlestick. It's going to go down even more. I could just look at it and can tell that it's going to go down even more. It's going to try and bounce on this red line once again, right? It's telling me that it's trying to go down. That's what the candlesticks are telling me. It's trying to go down. Whenever you see the wick up top like that, like a long wick like that, that means in a long wick, well, that's not a long wick, but you get what I mean. A wick up top like that, that means that the market is trying to go down. It's trying to go down. It's getting weak for when it's trying to go up. So when it gets weak trying to go up, it goes down. That's the only thing how it works. That's really how it works. So as you see, it went up, it shot up. So all we're waiting for is out of this zone. We trade each zone. We're trading zones, right? So as you see, it shot right back down. You see? Told you. You got to let the candlesticks do the talking, man. I told you it's going to shoot down. Let the candlesticks do the talking. They talk to me. They tell me stories. Nah. But seriously, like that's all price action really is. I'm not even paying attention to the MACD now. It's like irrelevant to me, but you can use it. I don't. It's just like I can see now, like I can see very clear what's going to happen and what price is trying to do. I don't complicate things at all. I'm not no expert. I'm not going to talk like I'm an expert or anything like that. I'm going to tell you what it is. As you see, it tried it, it tested again. It met our support. It's testing at 50. See, it's testing at 50. 9 times out of 10, since it's testing at 50, what it's going to do is shoot up. I think this is our downtime. Or maybe it might do the same thing as it did right here. Broke below the 50, but then shot right back up. I think that's what it might do. Break below the 50 down here, and then shoot right back up. So let's see. Let's see what it's going to do. Let's see. I'm going to pause it, and then I'm going to come back. What did I say? What did I tell you? I told you. I said it. This is simple price action, okay? You see what it's doing right now. I told you it was gonna shoot down below this and then shoot back up, okay? So we're in the shoot down mode right now. You see this, right? You're seeing this with your own eyes. I can't make this up. Look at this. Look, it shot down to our support, and then it bounced right on our support. I told you it's gonna bounce right off of our support and then shoot right back up. That's all it's doing, because this zone is a consolidation zone. I'm not even paying attention to the MACD anymore. Like this is the MACD in this case is irrelevant because price action is very important at this point. Like, it's very important. Is it going to keep bouncing? I think it is. It looked like it. Let's see. Is it going to keep bouncing on the support? It may just go past this support and then shoot right back up. Like, or retrace. It may do that. So we're going to see. Like, it looks like it's going to do that. So we're going to see what it's going to do. And I'm going to pause it again. And I'm going to show you again. Okay. So you see how that red, you see how this candlestick closed? Look at that. That tells me the market is trying to go down. That tells me that the market is trying to go down. So like I said, it's going to, see, you see how it's going to, see how that candlestick form is green right now, but it's about to go down and touch this, touch it. Boom. You see it? You see? Oh my God. I can't make this up. I just can't make this up. Bro, I can't make this up. Literally. This is simple price action right here. This is very simple, not complicated price action. It broke support. And look, I told you it was going to go down and then it's going to shoot right back up. Look at what it's doing. See? Pay attention to the candlesticks. These indicators would have told me differently. Like, I was only saying it's going to go for a buy because of the MACD on the 1 hour. It was looking like it's going to go up, but then at the same time, it's looking like it's going down. So what I did right here, see, okay, that's a perfect example. You see the direction is pointed down, right? It's pointed down. And on our 1 minute, it's showing I just went by price action for my entry, which was up here. I would have entered right there, and it's looking like it's gonna shoot back up now. See, this indicates it's gonna shoot back up 9 times out of 10. But if that's only when it closes like that. But it haven't closed, so you want to wait on a candlestick close to actually get a good indication on what price is gonna do. So here we go. See, it's looking like it still want to go down. There you go. You see, it may just touch this support right here. It may touch this support right here and then come back up. That's probably what it's respecting right now. So as you see right there, this was a support right here. It may break the support. Let's see. May break it. And oh my God. Oh my God. Are y'all seeing this? I'm telling y'all what exactly how I look at this stuff, and it's nothing hard. Do you see this? It broke support. It went past support. It haven't broke it just yet because the candle haven't closed. This is just simple price action. Simple price action. I can't make this up. So the perfect entry strategy is all based on price action. Okay? If you want me to go more in depth, like I'm doing now about price action, I will. But pay attention to the MACD as well. If you use indicators, as you see, it broken this support. That means it's going to go down even more. So look at that. You see, this is the perfect entry strategy. I hope you get it now. I hope you get what is the perfect entry strategy, because this is the perfect entry strategy. I just told you, I just broken down everything what was going to happen and what could happen and what did happen. So as you see, I told you from up here, it's looking like it's wanted to drop, right? Because look, this resistance up here, it didn't break this resistance. It's going to test it again. It didn't break it. Touch, touch, touch. Look at it. Do y'all see this? I can't make this up. It touched our support. It got into our support. This is the perfect entry strategy. I hope you like this video. I can't make none of this up. Like, I just broke everything down to you before anything even happened. I told you that price is going to try and come back to this area. I said that price is going to come back to this area down here, and look at what it did. It came back to this area. This is just simple price action, and you would get in on a buy. I told you it'll come down and then shoot right back up. That's all the market did. It came down, and look at what it's about to do. Bro, I don't even have to say nothing. Just go look at it yourself. Go look at this yourself. I got into a point to where I can see this like literally like clockwork. Look, this is an indication for a buy right here. Now it's gonna just shoot up, bro. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I mean, this is the perfect entry strategy. If you don't get it, then just rewatch this video of where I said, okay, let me answer all of the questions that I think I'm gonna get. Okay, how would I enter? Okay, if you ever see the MACD in the oversold position like this on the 15 line, what you want to look for is something like this. You want to see a wick form to where you could set a support, as I did down here, right? And then once a wick forms, you want to wait on that next candlestick to see what the next candlestick does. And if that next candlestick is green, then you want to actually buy, right? You want to actually buy. So that's how you want to enter the market, or vice versa for overbought position, right? So we're going to go to an overbought position, a really good overbought position, because this is a downtrend. As you see, it's a downtrend, right? So we're going to go to overbought position. So I zoom out and we're going to see the overbought position, right? So this is an overbought position. So I see that this is an overbought position. You see how this long wick formed, but all of the rest right here, all of the rest of the candlesticks didn't form that big. It just dropped afterwards. So that's what you want to do. You want to take the sell, right? You want to take that sell and then go from there. You want to take the sell and then you'd be in huge profits, right? That's all it is. Once it's in an oversold position like this, don't always take the trade. You will be in profit, but it'll draw down. See, because 9 times out of 10, majority of the time with this MACD it shows divergence. This is a perfect example of divergence. So as you see, the MACD right here is showing that it's going up, but in reality, it's going down. That's divergence. MACD showing going up, actual price showing going down. So MACD is right, but the divergence, see, down is going down. You want to match the candlesticks down, MACD upwards, meaning it's about to go up. So at this point right here, this is when it went up. You would be in a drawdown if you would have placed this trade right here. And as you see, I told you, this is all it is. Price action. Okay. See how it look 1, 2, and didn't even do the 3. Look, this is the third candlestick. If it breaks this support, it's going to go down even more. This is just simple price action. It doesn't get this easy. It doesn't get any easier than this. Like, I can do this without these indicators. I'm showing you without the indicators. Like I was actually explaining to you without the indicators. But yeah, I hope this video really helped out and all the above, because like I said, how to enter, what you want to look for is a W. You want to look for W's, right? You want to look for a W when it's in an oversold position, right? Oversold position is on the 15 level right here. Down here, you want to see it keep forming the wicks like this. If it keeps forming wicks like that, what you want to do is set your support line right here. Well, right there on the tip of the wick, and you see that it keeps on testing but going back up, and it tests again and going back up, shot right up. What you want to do is catch it on that third test or the second test. I'd catch it on the second test and then go up with the market, go right with the market, because since it tested this area, since it tried to test this area down here again, I would have went with the market. Go with the market, not against it. That's what you'll learn as a trader. You want to go with the market, not against it. So let's see if this candlestick had broken. It didn't, and look exactly what it's doing. It did not break, so now it's going up. The market is going up. You see it live. Like, I can't make this up. You see it live. This is nothing scripted. Like, I can't script the market. The market's gonna do its thing, man. So as you see, this just may be a minor pullback, but hey, look, I caught that sale. This is how I easily catch like scalps. This is how I easily catch profits right here. This is as easy as it gets. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah, man, have a good one. Peace out. If you got any questions, ask below. I'm in this Telegram group with my guy Lorenzo. He has a strategy with US 30 indices strategy. I'll put that down in the link below, and we have a Telegram group. So if y'all want to join the Telegram group, that link will be down in below as well. And yeah, peace out, man. Have a good one. Hope you like the strategy.